Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the under-middle lights with LED lights. So this is gonna be a very easy mod, so let's see.
Okay, the first step, let's remove the factory light by inserting a thin screwdriver, flat driver, and push a pin that you're gonna see from the front side view. Just when you push it, you will see that it comes out one side only, and for the other side you can make some pressure and that's it. There you go. Here is it. Okay, I don't see any indicator to identify the positive and negative cables. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a multimeter just to make sure I know which one is the negative and the positive. So I'm gonna turn that light on. So that's correct. Okay, so this is the positive one and this is the negative. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a piece of red tape to identify the positive one. I inverted the terminal on purpose so you can see the different. So this is now the negative value, and for that means that it's not correct right now. So I just install the new light following the red with the red tape indicator. Let me test this out, and this is how it is like. Here you can see that the terminals are a little bit exposed, and for that reason I just added a piece of heat shrink tubing, and this is the one that I'm using. It's 1/4 of the inch, and here I have another piece to the other cable. So the idea is to cover the whole connection. Okay, I added the heat shrink tubing. I'm gonna use a heat gun. If you don't have this shrink tubing, you can use electrical tape. It's time to put this back. To put it back, make sure that the short clip is placed into the back side and the long clip should be placed to the front side here. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna push the back side first, and okay, looks like we have an issue here because this clip is not getting in all the way into the place where it should be. It isn't completely above the meter base. So if I make some pressure, it get out easily. I don't want that. So I think that I can do something. So I can cut this pin a little bit here so that it can hook completely over the mirror base. So let's see if that works. Okay, let's see if it fits now. As you can see, I cut it a little bit there, so I can place this in a way that doesn't. Alright, now I feel that more comfortable with this. It doesn't get out easily as the same as the factory one. Now I'm sure that it is into position with the space that is here. And so in summary, as it was, it doesn't fit the way it should be. So if you buy this kind of lights, probably you will also have to do the same that I did. Well, this is the end of this video. If you have any question or comment, feel free to add below. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you are interested to see more mods that I'll be doing to my Tundra. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.